Welcome everybody to another exciting episode of Language Zone. I'm your host, Mr. JB. Now today we're going to learn about and analyze the past continuous. First, we'll begin with an example situation. Yesterday, Rachel and Chan played video games. They began at 10 o'clock and finished at 11:30. So at 10:30, they were playing video games. They were playing equals they were in the middle of playing, and they had not yet finished. Now when we have was and were plus a verb ending in ing, this is the past continuous, such as she was playing, it was working, they were fishing, etc. But what is the past continuous? Now we use the past continuous to say that someone was in the middle of doing something at a certain time. The action or situation had already started before this time, but had not yet finished. But now we'll take a look at a few examples. First, this time last year, I was living in New York. This means that I was in the middle of living in New York at a certain time in the past. Another example, Chris was singing when the phone rang. This means that Chris was in the middle of singing when another event happened, the ringing of the phone. But before we end this episode, I would like to show the difference between the past continuous, which we covered, and a past simple. Basically, the past continuous is used in the middle of an action, and the past simple is used to describe a complete action. But first, let's look at an example for the past continuous. Anne was watching television when the phone rang. This is something in the middle of an action. Here's an example for the past simple. Anne watched television a lot when she was ill last year. This is a complete action. You see the difference? Very good. Now, if you enjoyed this video, check out the Language Zone YouTube channel right here. And I'll see you next time in the zone. Bye-bye.